Hi, my name is Dan Guerreros, and I just wanted to share my experience with 731 Enhanced, Enhanced Packet 1 Service Pack 4, which is the current new releases. One thing I notice here is I have a mapping, and I wanted to check out how that works. For this element, for the VSAT, we can see that it has a context of UNH. And another thing we notice here is these elements have been marked as disabled. That's okay. So let's open the mapping here in the developer studio, and what we see here is an overview screen that gives some good usability of what's going on here. We have the definition here of the mapping, and as you can see in a bit, this is a lot different than what we saw in the Enterprise Service Builder, the graphical tool. We can see these elements are still marked as disabled, which is good. But let's have a look at the VSAT element we had. It's just here. And we can see it's using a variable called VSAT var1 because I'm moving two elements to the same one, and that's okay. And if we open this one, I think we can see the VSAT1, and here we can see we should have been able to see where the context was, and as far as I can see, it's not there a place to define which context this is using. And let's see, okay, we'll just add a field here and here. The usability, I'll just put this one in, of this one is a bit difficult to use. Let's just do a concat and have two strings, maybe two elements. We have here and here, comma, and then this one, and we have to end it concat. So this is still giving some error. All fields entered must be for the concat to be valid. So maybe it's not as useful here. So let's just use the simple element here, and we have to just put this on the change list. Okay, and we save the mapping, and we see it has added an extra element here, but it's a bit difficult to see what's going on in these elements. So I just wanted to open here and see what's going on here. It may take a bit to do that. We'll just make hopefully you can see here now it has popped up this one. It's showing the active mapping, showing the one in the change list, and what you see here is this element has been marked as disabled, not as disabled anymore. And if we go find the VSAT that was just looking at before, these that we had at the root node has been changed, so the context has been removed. Well, the tool here is a bit more difficult to use. I'd hoped that it was just the same editor or something like that that you could use from in here to help the usability for the developer, but apparently that's not the case. But yeah, I think this is probably just the first attempt of creating something. So I hope this has been helpful, and please, when you start using this mapping definition in Enterprise Service Builder, take care of how the mapping is working. Bye.